hanging in there with her and being supportive.
You're on stage, buddy. What's going on here?
Well, we're heading to Buckeye Donuts South, just north a couple weeks ago. Then try out south.
Buckeye Donut South. All right. And so we got you today, Kitty, or Kit Kat.
Yeah,
Kit Kat. It's me and John.
Yeah.
There we go. So it's a beautiful day. I guess we
Sure
can
is.
be on our way. Anything else we should know about this, or?
We have 100% CycleNuts shirts today.
Oh, we do. Look at that.
Right.
We all have our CycleNuts jerseys and shirts. Yeah. I was going to wear my yellow one too, but you know what? It was in the laundry.
Variety is good.
Don't drop the phone, Jeff. So what do you have to say, Mr. Deer? That's what I thought. Nothing. Uh-huh.
There's so many bridges there, and just about every bridge there were locks, like top to bottom, side to side. There were millions of them.
Those locks. Yeah. These things right here. Oh, this one even had, oh, they got names on them too. It's Chris and Carol, Coco and TCHL.
Oh, there were some. What they were antique locks. They were all kinds of different locks I've never seen before.
Ain't that something?
There were no chastity belts.
Oh.
Well, next ride here, we'll have to remind everybody to bring a lock.
Yes, and you got to have your name inscribed on them too.
Right.
Used to maybe.
In fact,
Huh?
What are you doing? Are you videoing?
I am.
Minnesota.
So you can see our donuts are gone.
Prompted me to move out here. I wasn't planning on staying. Was going to do, but he used to work